Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Instagram profile picture, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you design an Instagram profile picture for free using Canva? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to design a new Instagram profile icon anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that branding is quite important, and with Canva, you can set that up for free with a lot of different templates. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and this is the home screen that's going to show all of your recent designs. Now, in order to redo your Instagram profile picture, what you're going to do is here on the search bar, go ahead and just type in Instagram profile picture. Okay, so once you do that, you want to scroll down until you see Canva templates and then just click on see all. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see a lot of Instagram profile picture templates. You can see there's quite a few. Now, a lot of these are free, but some of them you do have to have the pro version. So right here, there's like a little crown. In order to use this one, you would need to upgrade, or this one, it has a $sign, same thing. So if you just want to see the free options, you want to scroll up and click on all filters. Here on the left, go ahead and scroll down until you see free and click on free and then click on apply. Okay, now you can see all of the Instagram profile picture templates that you can use for free. So you can go ahead and just scroll through and then see which one kind of lines up with your brand. So I think this one looks pretty cool. This looks really professional. So let me go ahead and click on her. All right. So the cool thing about Canva is once you click on one template, it's going to show you other templates that are similar. So you might be able to find a better one down here. This one looks pretty neat. Let me go ahead and just stick with her. And what you want to do is go ahead and click on customize this template. All right. So here we are in the design center for your Instagram profile picture. So we can go ahead and change this around. So it's pretty easy. It's just like setting up a Facebook page. All you're going to do is just click into it, and then you can see this purple box. Once you see the purple box, that means that you're editing that particular portion. So first off, let's go ahead and change her out. So what you're going to do is here on the left, you're going to click on uploads. And once you click on uploads, you're going to see all of the images that you might have already uploaded into Canva. If you don't have the right picture here, you can easily just upload from your computer by clicking on this purple button. And once you upload it, it'll be dropped here into your Canva storage. And the weird thing about Canva is I don't know a way that you can right click and then swap out. So what you need to do is just click on the image that you want to change. And then with your new image, you're just going to drag it right over the top of it. So you can see it just automatically pops over her. Okay, you can see mine is kind of weird because I don't have the background removed. So if you want to do that, you can do that directly in the app by clicking up here. That is a paid feature. So for the purpose of this video, I'll just go ahead and leave it as is. And then we'll go ahead and change the name because my name is not Bridget. So we'll just go ahead and triple click into there and we'll change that to Mate. And then we'll change this one to money. And you see how it automatically formats to this like kind of circular. And then we'll click here, creative content creators. Let's go ahead and just change that to my name, Anthony. Okay, so that looks pretty good. And then all of these little features that has a purple box around it, you can go ahead and change it. So maybe you don't want the stars there. Just click on it and you can trash that. And we'll trash that one also. Now, if there's other features that you want to add in, you can easily do that by over here on the left. You can click on, let's say, text, and we can add a text box. And it's going to be right down here. But let's go ahead and change this. And we'll just do follow me. Okay. And we can go ahead and grab this box and then we'll drag it to where we want. So maybe we want to follow me right above my head. Let me go ahead and adjust this color just a little bit so it doesn't look so obnoxious. Same down here, shrink that one down. Okay, so I don't really like this because of the square. So another thing you can do is we'll go ahead and delete this, and then we'll go over here to elements and then just scroll down until you see this section here called frames. And we're going to go ahead and pick a better frame. So maybe this one right here. We'll just drag that one right there in the middle. Okay, that looks pretty center, and we'll drop that. And then we're just going to go ahead and drop that picture in. So it looks a little bit more uniform. Okay, so that looks a little bit better, as you can see right here. And then maybe this background up here, we'll click there and you can see it's kind of this kind of blue turquoise. You can click up here and change that to match your color scheme. So maybe we want that to be gray or maybe just all white. So that looks pretty good to me. All right. And lastly, what I'll normally do is go ahead and retitle this up here on the top center, and we'll just name this Instagram profile picture template. All right. Okay. So that looks pretty good. And next thing we need to do is we need to save it to our desktop. So you want to click on share here on the top right. And once you do that, go ahead and click on download. And once you click on download, make sure the file type is either PNG or JPG, whichever one. And then you just want to download it to your computer. Okay, so let me go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. All right, there it is right here. So this is my new Instagram profile picture that I created in Canva for free. So I can easily just share this over to my phone, and then I can go ahead and upload this into my Instagram profile picture. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create an Instagram profile picture inside of Canva for free, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, Be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.